In the desert, 20 miles outside a city in Iraq, 1,500 acres have been set aside as a cemetery for those who have died of coronavirus. Because of the stigma associated with the virus, their loved ones have been turned away from the religious cemeteries in the city. So, the departed find a final resting place in the wilderness graveyard, regardless of their faith. Where there might have been division in life, in death, they are at peace with one another. Whether Orthodox Christian, Sunni, or Shiite Muslim, they are all together. Suffering and hardship may divide us in life, or it may bring us together, closer than before the crisis. In the hospital, the team must be united to bring hope and healing to those in our care. There is no option. For the team is aware that the whole is greater than its members. May we in healthcare be an example for the greater society. And may we find our peace and our community this side of paradise. So be it, and amen.